On this guide, I'll show you how to make your phone number private on Android. Keeping your phone number private when making calls can be important for various reasons. Here are some methods to do so. First method, use the *67 trick. Open your phone app and dial *67 followed by the number you wish to call. Your number will appear as private or blocked to the recipient. The second method is to enable Hide Number in settings. Many Android devices allow you to hide your number by default, so you don't have to use the first method every time. This can be configured through the phone settings by opening the phone's app and tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and then tap on Calls or Call-in Accounts. Tap on Additional Settings or Supplementary Settings, select Caller ID and then choose Hide Number from the pop-up menu. The third method is to ask your carrier to hide your number. If your phone does not have the option to hide your number in the settings, your carrier might offer you a way to do this. Contact your carrier's customer support, ask them to enable the caller ID blocking feature for your line. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.